Mobile, Shotgun Willie. They go to Mobile out of Phoenix, Arizona. The 6 Bill Mobile. They get Shotgun Willie, 817 Mobiles back wide. Out there, 25, John Dillenger out there, got it all. They get out there, Mr. Worldwide 25, John Dillenger, 817 Mobile, back wide.
Tell right on, but you sound real good in Florida, man. Keep on doing what you're doing and have a good weekend.
And that's my Roger, here I come again, 25, just to let you know for the March of Dimes, I got it all, cause you said it all. 25, John Dillenger, 817 Mobiles, back wide.
And Mr. That's right, 122 round Texas, man. How you get up in that shot picker, man? Hey, 122 with the shotgun, really say, all my exes live in Texas. Hey, 122 Texas, one blackout.
And they go in again, Willie. Tell 122 in the big horn I did say hello, man. Hey, Shotgun Willie, tell that 122 in the big horn, 817, wave the hand out there. He's a good friend. Bye.
Hey, 122, 817 won't really tell you four fingers in a thumb, man. Hey, 122 around Texas, where all my exes. Hey, 817 say howdy, do, Hey, 122 take care with the 817 Mobile, with the Shotgun Willie shooting
and I appreciate the 5. I appreciate you rolling my 5 and keeping my 5 alive. Take a Shotgun Willie, you got a talk show. Bye.
Where are you on that, man? Well, take care, 817 with the 122, and that other big brother 178 while you're reading the mail. But that shot picking 817 got his mind made up, and his fist balled up, and that shot picker got me locked down. 817, 178, 122. Oh, my Shotgun Willie, saying, wow, got down.
Real good copy. I see you now. Have a good day. You're doing real good, Shotgun Willie. I'm back reading your mail. I'm back quiet.